Namaskaram. Last class, I taught you the vowels, 12 vowels and the 18 consonants. Now today, I am going to take the weekdays of Tamil weekdays. See, I written here, days of the week. And this for week days, for week we say varam. So, varangal is a plural. Weeks. Va, ra, in, ka, il. It's called varangal. For weekdays we say varangal. And let's go with the first day. The first day start with the Sunday is U-N-D-A-Y. The Sunday in Tamil it is called Nyairu. See, G-N-A-Y-I-R-U. Nyairu. I am repeating once again. The Sunday is called Nyairu. It's Nyairu. It represents, Sunday represents sun god. Then Monday, it is called Tingal. T in ko il Tingal. I am repeating once again. For Monday, we say Tingal. T, this T, this in, this is ka, and this il. Tingal. It's written like this. This Tingal Monday represents moon god. Okay, now we are coming to Tuesday. For Tuesday, in Tamil we say Chevvai. Actually, Chev means hot red, and Vai means in Tamil this mouth. You know, when you see through the telescope, this Mars is equivalently hot like a sun, and it appears like somebody, the mouth applied lipstick, no? So that is why this is the hottest planet, Mars. What do you call Mars in English? So it's called Chevvai. You have to say that Chevvai. C-H-E, written in English like this. It is Che, Iv, Va, I, Chevvai. Repeating once again. Che, Iv, Va, I, Chevvai. Now we are going to Budhan. Wednesday is called Budhan. This represents Mercury, the smallest planet. Who, the, in Budhan. Who, the, in Budhan. This Wednesday is normally called as a auspicious day. So that is a saying in Tamil. Pon kidaithalum Budhan kidaikadu. You can get all the gold, silver, everything. But you cannot get a Wednesday. That's what I say. Pon kidaithalum, even you can get treasure, I mean gold or silver, any ornaments. More than that, it's difficult to get a Budhan. Pon kidaithalum Budhan kidaikadu. Kidaikadu means it's very difficult to get it. So this considers Wednesday is a very auspicious day. I told you this Mercury, the smallest planet. Now we are coming to Thursday. Thursday is called Vyadan. V-Ya-R-In. Vyadan. Vyadan. So this represents Jupiter. It's the biggest planet. See, I'm once again. You see here how I'm writing. V-Ya-R-In. Vyadan. Now we are coming to Friday. Friday is called Beldi. See, Be-Il-Li. So Friday represented by Venus. In English we say Venus, planet Venus. It is also auspicious. Normally people do any ornaments with gold or silver, they purchase on that particular Friday. This very auspicious day for them. So it's called Veldi. Actually, there is other meaning for Veldi is silver, because this Venus, when you see through the telescope, you find a silver line passing through that. That is called Veldi. And the last one is Shani. This Shani. In English we call it Saturn. So I'm repeating once again. For weekdays we say Varangal. Varangal. And for Sunday we say Nyayiru. Nyayiru. And for Monday it's called Tingal. Tingal. And for Tuesday called Chavvai. It's called Chavvai. Then comes Budan. It also say Budan. Budan. Then comes Thursday. For Thursday we say Viyardan. 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 Then for Friday it is called Veldi. Veldi. And for Saturday we say, Saturday we call this Shani. Shani. I have taken all the weekdays. Now I am going to continue these colors today. See, for colors we say Nirangal. Ni, Ra, In, Ka, Il. Nirangal. I am repeating once again. For colors we say Nirangal. Ni, Ra, In, Ka, Il. Nirangal. I am going to take certain colors, what we say in Tamil. For red, it can be said in two ways. Certain books write as Chigappu, certain write as Chivappu. Both are correct. Whichever way you can write. This is called Chigappu. Chi, Ga, Ippu. Chi, Ga, Ippu. And this Chivappu. Chi, Va, Ippu. Chi, Va. This is Pu. Okay. Either Chivappu or Shivappu. Both, some books are mentioned like that, so you can write it in any way. Then comes black. It has got two names. It's called Karuppu. Karu. Ippu. Karuppu. Karu. Ippu. Karuppu. It's also called Karumai. Karumai. It's Mai. So Karuppu or Karumai. Third one is blue. For blue we call it as Neelam. Ni, La, Im. We call Neelam. Don't say Neelam. Because Neelam means it becomes length. This is Neelam. La. Ni, La, Im, Neelam. Blue. Now we are coming to green. It's called Pachai. Pa, Ich, Chai. Pachai. Pa, Ich, Chai, Pachai. And also it's got other name called Pasumai. Pa-su-mai. Pasumai. Pa-su-mai. Pasumai. So Pachai or Pasumai, both are correct. You can write it anyway. Then comes orange. Orange is called Kavi. 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 Now we are coming to yellow color. For yellow we say Manjal. Ma, In, Cha, Il. Manjal. ma, inch, cha, il, manjal. Then white has got three names. See, first one is Vellai, Ve, Vellai, Ve, Il, Lai, Ve, Il, Lai is Vellai. It's got other names. Velupu, Ve is Lu, and Ip, Pu, Velupu. And the third name is called Venmai. Ve, in, my, Venmai. Ve, in, my, Venmai. So it's got three names I told you. I'm repeating. Vellai, Velupu, or Venmai. Anything you can write. There are other colors like violet, purple, indigo and magenta. All these colors are a combination of different colors. So we call it as same name as Uda. Called Uda. All these colors, violet, purple, indigo and magenta, all these colors are called Uda because it's a combination of different colors. Then ash color. You know, whenever we burn anything, paper or cloth, it becomes ash color. It's not black, it's ash color. So that we say chambal. Chambal. This is called cha, im, il chambal. Then for cream color, we say parupu color. Paru, ippu, parupu. Don't say parupu. Parupu means it becomes dal. It is called parupu, ru. This is special letter in Tamil. Paru, ippu, parupu. And for golden color, we say ponmai. Po, in, mai, ponmai. In Tamil literature, 3 number is very prominent. We give importance for 3. See, when we speak about Tamil literature, Muttamil, we say when Tamil, Muttamil means Moondru Tamil. Moondru means 3. Muttamil. Moondru Tamil. What is that Moondru Tamil? Iyal, Isai, Nadagam. Iyal means literature, whatever you write now. Isai means music and Nadagam is a drama. Any literature, anything, any language is spread through these 3 things. One by way of writing, composing poems, that's called Iyal. Isai means by way of music. By way of music we can spread this. And Nadagam, by way of drama you can. You see the olden villages, people are illiterate. They want some entertainment. The time, a small drama like, episode. They make a drama and make them. Even in the olden times, when we were slaves, Britishers, there are many great dramatists, who have been staging a drama. They are patriots, but they want to show our national flag. If you say Vande Mataram, show our flag, you will be beaten. So what they were doing, just they make a pyramid like, and they wear different uniforms, just like a flag having 3 colors, orange, green and white. In that same sequence, they will climb. They will form a pyramid, and now they will say, can you see that? It's a flag. It represents a flag. This other way of, drama way you can give a lot of message to the people. So that's called, I told you, Iyal, Isai, Nadagam. It's called Muttamil. The same way there were 3 sung, It's called first Sangam, second Sangam, third Sangam. Moondra Sangangal, Muchangangal. So for everything, see, 3 comes. And there are 3 sacred fruits. We say Mukkani. Kani means fruits. Normally this Mukkani means what? Ma, Pala and Vare. Ma means mango variety. See, when you see a Margosa leaf, mango variety, all these parts is very useful. This Margosa leaf is used by the priest to spread the tirtha.